Power your equipment with the Reliance Controls WKPBN30 portable generator through the wall kit. It can be used as a backup during a power outage. The generator transfer switch kit has an outdoor power inlet box and a 6-outlet power panel for inside. Additionally, it includes a PVC conduit, a drill bit, mounting anchors and screws, waterproof gaskets, PVC cement and instructions. There are many products available to choose. Control Corporation WKPBN30 portable generator, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best Control Corporation WKPBN30 portable generator from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. A simple to install, convenient and safe way to use your portable generator for backup power during a power outage. Routes power from your portable generator through a wall to a 6-outlet power panel inside your house, where lights, TVs, your refrigerator, microwave, computers, sump pump and more can be powered with clean, dry extension cords. The inside panel even lights up the area around it so you can see what you are doing. What's in the box? 6-outlet pre-wired indoor generator power panel, 30 amp outdoor power inlet box, 12 inches length rigid PVC conduit, 1-inch drill bit, mounting anchors and screws, waterproof gaskets, PVC cement and bilingual instructions. Power transfer kit. Create a backup power panel inside your home, connected to your portable generator outside your home, to keep you safe from storm weather and toxic generator exhaust. Includes 6-circuit power panel, 30 outdoor power cord inlet box, New Mexico PVC conduit fittings and PVC cement, 12-inch x 1-inch flat head drill and all mounting accessories. Total outlet 6.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more informative information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment.